Hi guys, Anders here from Clift, and today I would like to show you how the new Clift app works. To get the latest version, all you need to do is to open the camera app and just point it towards the QR code found on the console. Once you open that link, it will open up the App Store and just download the Clift app. Once downloaded, just open the app and you will have two options to log in or create a new account. If you like to log in, just hit login, and here you can use your email address, or you can log in with Google or Apple. This time, let's do it with Apple. The first time you download the app, you will see a screen where you can select your Clift gym. So all you need to do is tap on Select Gym, and here you will see a drop down for all the available Clift locations. So this time we'll go with our office wall. Just hit Select, and there you will be presented with a new home screen. On this new home screen, you can scroll through new routes, new games. You can filter for most climbed, best rated, newest, oldest, least climbed, whatever. Hit apply to save your selection. The first time you will use the Clift app, you will be presented with an access for Bluetooth devices. You should plus allow, because this way the Clift app will be able to connect directly to a Clift pole. So I just tapped allow this time. And the route screen, you can scroll between routes, like doing so. And just hit display. And that way the route will be presented on the wall. So actually I can go ahead and start climbing on the wall. Back in the app screen, you can scroll up, you can rate it, you can tell if the grading is okay or not, or maybe that the grade is too high or too easy. You can select it from here. And in the activity feed, you will see whatever history the route has for other climbers as well. Let's go back to the home screen. And here you can also start the freestyle mode on the wall, so that way you can climb whatever you want on your Clift wall. Of course, I can go back and I can use the new app actually to set new routes. So all you need to do is hit new route and you will see the wall image here. So let's just select this, maybe this, and let's create two starting points. This one will be a foot only, and the finish. You hit save, or you can give it a name. Let's say it's a test route. It's a 6A for sure. And I will publish it for everybody. And once you hit publish, you will be able to just hit display again, and the wall will turn on that route for you, so you can instantly go and start climbing. I can heart it, share it with my friends, and of course, anytime I can go back and edit the route by hitting updating holds in the update screen. So I just update and I'm good to go. The other things you can do from the app is, if I load out on the console, what you can also do is to log in with your profile. All you need to do is just hit the login button here. Of course, allow camera access, because this way the QR code will start working for you. So all you need to do is just point the QR code towards the reader and you're good to go. And of course, you can also use the external camera app. So you can just launch your preferred camera app, and if I log out again, and here I tap on this guy, it will automatically log you in. It's that easy. In the app, you can also use it to go and select all your activity feeds, so you can filter for lead, boulder, and whatever activities you did before on your Clift walls. Once a new challenge got displayed in the app, you will see it all from here. And of course, this is the place where you can edit your profile. So you can join the Clift Discord community from here. You can set your setter's name. You can add friends from here. You can set up your preferred grade systems. And of course, you can save everything and just enjoy climbing on the wall. The new Clift app is now available both on iOS and Android, and it's free to download. So go and check it out for yourself.